One of the greatest advantages of dental implants is predictability and success. So overall, there's an incredibly strong chance, high 90th percentile, that your implant work will be with you for the rest of your life. Here at the Geller Dental Group, probably the number one thing that sets us apart is experience and teamwork. Our doctors here at the Geller Dental Group have been doing this a long time. We work together as a team and ultimately do the best we can to yield the most phenomenal results for our patients. We utilize the best dental labs, the best implant companies, and technology is a key driving force in the planning and implementation of dental implants and ultimately yields the best results from a standpoint of a safe procedure, a minimally invasive procedure, and ultimately we go through leaps and bounds to stay on the cutting edge of what is available with dental technology, both with implants, cosmetics, and anything and everything else under the sun in dentistry, to ultimately offer our patients the best that is available in today's day and age. With some preliminary planning, 3D imaging, 3D scanning and whatnot, patients come in and in a roughly 3 to 4 hour procedure, the remaining teeth are removed, the appropriate dental implants are placed, and a complete set of teeth are placed onto the implants all in one day. The changes are dramatic, long-lasting, incredibly successful, and really a truly life-changing experience for my patients. Dental implants, restoring your mouth, your smile, is a phenomenal investment. At the end of the day, these are quality of life issues. Many of my patients say to me very frequently, I just wish I would have done this years ago. If this is something that appeals to you, feel free to reach out to us at gellerdental.com. Come by, I'd love to sit down with you and talk about what we can do for you.